Hola clase, ¿cómo están? Excelente! And welcome to our second ever Fun Fact Fez Fridays. Let's see what fun fact is in the Fez this Friday. Alright, today's fun fact is the Japanese word karate means empty hand. Alright, and that's been today's Fun Fact Fez Friday. Right, let me get my hair perfect, it only takes a second. Oh, we're there. Alright, so let me slap on the headphones. Alright, now you can hear me better. All right, so first we're going to award, I keep saying that, we're going to award today's Cowie Award. So let's get it ready. Just came in from the Academy. All right. So on yesterday's video, there's only one comment, so an easy winner. Rebecca says, Senor Cow Cow on the tallest tower. That's right. She is referring to this, me being in the tower. Da, 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 da. I will award this from the tower today. So you get the Cowie today. This is from last night's event. It was a pretty good one. Went for 2 hours. Okay, so let's go ahead and do today's warm-up. So saquen papel and get ready to pause the video. Okay. All right, here's your warm-up today. Remember, these are the demonstrative adjectives, and it's all about how close or far away things are from the person talking. Okay, so when it says these tacos are excellent, that's going to be the ones that are the closest to the speaker. That house is big. We've moved a little bit further away, and that boy way over there is my cousin. Let me double check we're recording. Yes, okay. Sorry about that. All right, so go ahead, saquen papel, and pause the video now. All right, let's see how we did. All right, first one. These tacos are excellent. Now I'm going to go ahead and tell you, every single word in this sentence needs to be plural. So pause it and fix it if you haven't done that. All right, since we're talking about tacos here, it's going to be this. Estos tacos son excelentes. It would actually be están because I'm describing the ones in front of me. But don't get caught up in that, just so you know. Estos tacos están excelentes. All right, now moving a little bit further away. That house is big. Esa casa es grande. All right, a little bit further away, and since we're describing casa, it is esa casa. Okay? All right, número tres. That boy way over there is my cousin. Aquel chico es mi primo. This girl is pretty, the one right next to me, which in my case would be my wife. Say, esta chica es bonita. This girl, she's right here. Those books are red. Whoops, I'll pull the period down, hold on. Those books way over there are red. Aquellos libros son rojos. Again, every single word is plural. Y'all have to get used to doing that because we don't do that in English, but we do in Spanish. It'd be like saying, those books are reds. And the last one, número seis, those kids are Americans. Now, it doesn't say far, so I'm just going to say, esos, let's say niños. Esos niños son americanos, which is not capitalized in Spanish. We don't do that for nationalities. Esos niños son americanos. Okay? And just checking all the answers. Esa casa. Yep, they're all correct. Okay. So there you go. Now again, pause, rewind, whatever you need to do to make sure you got all of those correct. Now, as far as the warm-up, the review, let's do this. I'm going to show you for just a quick second. Okay. So demonstrative adjectives. I'm going to let someone else review this because I think it's good to hear different people's takes on things. But just to preface it, remember, here is the person talking. So if you want to say, this boy, este chico. That boy, ese chico. A little bit further away. That boy way over there, aquel chico. If it were a house, esta casa, this house, esa casa, that house, aquella casa, that house way over there. Okay? Now, again, if you want to see my explanation, you can watch yesterday's video. But instead, let me show you this guy because I think he does a really good job. See what you think of him. And no, he's not my cousin.
Hola. Now, in this lesson, we're going to be learning about something that's called demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative adjectives are adjectives that help us to tell one thing from others. An example. This might feel a little like Blue's Clues. En el suelo tengo tres libros. Tres libros, ¿ok? Este libro, ese libro y aquel libro. Este libro, ese libro y aquel libro. Okay? Este libro would be the libro that is the closest. So, este means this. Ese libro is kind of in the middle. It's a little bit farther. Okay? That would mean that. Aquel libro is the book that's the farthest away. So, aquel means that also, but it also deals with something being farther. Okay? It's not so close as ese, it is farther. Okay? Again, este libro, ese libro, aquel libro. So with the word in front, I'm further helping you identify the object that I'm talking about. If I were to say, hey, me gusta mucho este libro, okay? Then you would know that I'm talking about the one closest to me. Most likely, if I'm pointing to it, it might help too. But if I say, me gusta mucho aquel libro, it's probably going to be the one that's farthest away. Because aquel deals with the distance. Okay? Ese libro probably would be the one not quite as far as aquel. Okay? So that's kind of how we know we're demonstrating with our words which is which. That's demonstrative adjectives. If the object that I'm talking about is feminine, or female, such as silla, they change slightly. Okay? En el cuarto tengo tres sillas. Okay? Esta silla, esa silla, aquella silla. Again, esta silla, esa silla, aquella silla. So, este or esta both mean this. Ese or esa both mean that. And aquel or aquella both mean that farther away. So go ahead and try some now, depending on the picture and where it is located in conjunction with me, translated into Spanish. Pause the video if you need more time and check the word bank if you aren't sure how to say a word. Let's try this first one as an example. So we have, you see, three perros, three dogs, okay? And the arrow is pointing to the one closest to me. So that would be this dog. It's a male, although I would have drawn it in such a way that you could tell it's a male, okay? Or a female would have like a bow or something, feminine, I don't know. But this is a male, so this, este perro, okay? You try the rest, do the best you can.
I know this one is for lápiz, which is masculine. So it's este because it's masculine. El lápiz, este lápiz.
Este lápiz.
Marcador.
Ese marcador.
Bandera.
Esta bandera.
Escritorio, pupitre.
Ese pupitre.
Teléfono.
Aquel teléfono.
Calculadora.
Esta calculadora.
Carro or coche.
Aquel coche.
Camisa, camiseta.
Esta camiseta. Okay, so that's the basic idea for these. Check out the next video in this series where we'll be going over the plural forms.
Okay, anyway, so that was that. Okay, now there's one last thing we're going to do together today, and because today is Friday, I don't want to give y'all any work to do over the weekend because trust me, we are all busy, we're all working. Nobody's on vacation, and we don't assume that anyone is. Okay, so here's going to be the last thing we're going to do, is just a little practice we're going to do together. There's nothing to write down, or nothing to turn in today, okay? So, what this is, it's a little PowerPoint I put together, and let me see, what was I going to say? Oh, the guy in the video went a little bit fast, and I will not do that. Okay? So let's have a look together. This is going to be the last thing we do today, so let's give it our all. All right, if calculator it's a feminine thing, it is calculadora. How would you say this calculator? It would be esta calculadora. Let's move a little bit further away. How would we say that calculator? Esa calculadora. And moving way far away, that calculator way over there would be aquella calculadora. Okay, so repeat after me. Esta calculadora, esa calculadora, aquella calculadora. All right, now we have libros. This is plural, okay? Libros. Let's do front to back one more time. All right. These books, libros, would be estos libros. This would be esos libros. And this one would be aquellos libros. Notice the os for all of them. Repeat after me. Estos libros, esos libros, aquellos libros. And again, these are important things out in the real world for showing people how far away the thing is that you're talking about. All right, we got two more slides. This time we have manzanas. All right, let's go out of order. How would you tell me those apples way over there? Blank manzanas. Aquellas manzanas. All right, a little bit closer, but not these apples. How would you say those apples? Esas manzanas. And the closest these apples would be estas manzanas. All right, aquellas manzanas, esas manzanas, estas manzanas. All right, look at this. You like my Photoshop skills there? I found the perfect picture. I didn't have to change it. All right, I'm going to go completely out of order. Here we go. For perro, this one would be, how would we say that dog? Blank perro. Ese perro. What about that one way over there? Aquel perro. And then this dog. Este perro. All right, one last time. Repitan. Este perro. Ese perro. Aquel perro. All right. And just one last time to remind you our little rhyme. This and these, keep the T's. That and those, out it goes. If it starts with A, it's far away. All right, guys. So that is today's lesson. Again, it's Friday, so I'm not going to give you all any work. So we'll pick this back on Monday. Love you guys. Miss you. And I will see you on Monday. Adios.